we really are. And for some communities, this is the coldest morning we've had so far this fall. And for most of central Indiana, the coldest we've had since April of this year. We're talking springtime temperatures. So let's talk about why we are seeing this. We've got this northerly wind component still that's been blowing across Lake Michigan, and that's been creating some lake effect rain showers, as well as the potential of a little bit of cloud cover. So noticing where the clouds are versus where the sky is clear, that is playing a role in our temperatures outside this morning. Where the sky is clear, it's a little cooler, and that's where we have an ongoing freeze warning that will be in effect through 9 o'clock this morning. Temperatures continuing to drop between Winchester and Richmond. We are now down to the low to mid 30s. It is 38 in Muncie. We're getting pretty close to that critical number where we would see frost develop. That's also the case where a frost advisory is in effect for Bloomington down to Bedford, where temperatures are falling into the upper 30s. We are still in the low 40s around the Indy metro. So a frosty start to our day. Notice the direction of the wind, still going to be out of the north-northwest today. That will keep the temperature from warming up much this afternoon. By noon, we'll still be at 49. By 2 o'clock, 53. And eventually still only looking at highs that will be in the 50s this afternoon. So still about 10 degrees below average. 54 over in Richmond and 57 in Greencastle. Temperatures on the eastern side of the state will be impacted by that cloud cover I was talking about. That lake effect cloud deck makes its way into east central Indiana, and that will prevent the temperature from warming up much. So as we approach those daytime highs today, notice where we'll see a little bit more cloud cover compared to where we'll see more sunshine. And then by the time the sun goes down tonight, the wind direction's actually going to start to shift. So that will take a lot of that lake effect cloud cover and push it out of the area and prevent new clouds from developing. So with clear skies overnight, we are once again forecasting widespread frosty conditions with everybody set to fall to the mid to lower 30s. So a cold start to your Thursday. Things are going to change a bit by Thursday afternoon. Talked about the wind direction today out of the north. Tomorrow that flips to the south. So a combination of a southerly wind component now mixed with more sunshine that will help to bring in some slightly more mild temperatures. We're going to get back into the 60s on Thursday, which is still a little below average for this time of year, but we'll really notice that change getting into Friday and beyond. 67 and more seasonal Friday, more sunshine and temperatures in the low 70s for the weekend and into the mid 70s through the first part of next week.